Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our the series of videos in which we are showing you how you can share a common database on Microsoft Access using Microsoft Excel front end, and on the back end we have Microsoft Access and using VBA for developing the dashboard, and using Outlook as a command setter. Means if you want to send a command to create a user, you have to email to this to the given email address. The automatically I will show you it will keep on watching the mailbox. If any email is coming, it will, as soon as it comes, it lands to a particular folder, and then it starts working. It starts actioning the request. The request which we have started is that the creation of a new user, for example. All the information is in a pre-formatted template. When it is sent, and the system takes that information automatically without any human intervention. You will see that this drop down will be showing you the new user, right? If you see, this is last one was Bob and Bill, Paul. Okay, so let's create a new user, say Mike. Okay, okay, Mike Jackson, and then we create it. So what we do is we send an email. So for sending an email, what we do, let me take this as a template. So this is just a template. We can make the changes in the compose. Okay, yeah, and here we write. This is our template. Here we and it's Mike. Say it's okay, Mike and Jackson. Okay, and can have different say just. Is, for example, from 31st of January is the starting period, and from 31st of January, you can have until the 31st of December 2024, for example. These all are unperformed. The rest will be treated as already performed. And from 1st of July, the backlog, say, and you can say 15th of July is the start date of the backlog clearance. Okay, and then it will keep on showing you the report with effect from that. Okay, so the address we have is this is our database is watching for this email from means this is the Outlook email address. The email will land and it has to have a subject properly drafted. So this is the subject which the system is expecting, right? Control C. This is the subject which is expected for the system. Otherwise, the system will not recognize it as a command, right? So this is the command. Right? This is the format of it. This is the all the information you are sending. So as soon as you send it, it reaches to our Outlook here, and you will find, in the Outlook, you will find, this is our Outlook. Okay, yeah. So it is coming, and you will find that the system will automatically take this. So Mike Jackson will appear in the drop down. Yeah, you see, it has find it out. Yeah, clipboard error is okay. There's nothing to do with this. Okay, the next is we check has it into yes. Mike Jackson has been received, well received, and created. The report has also been created, and it is it has been here. And what happened to the Outlook item which we have sent? So it is moved to the user created. Okay, so this is moved to the folder in which the actioned items have been moved, right? So these are the last one which was that. This one, this is Mike Jackson. These all are placed in the user's created. When we send more emails like this, anyone from anywhere from the world, when we send it, the user gets calculated automatically without the human intervention. So let me explain you how was it possible for us to do this. So we have explained you that in our previous video, we showed you that there is an auto open procedure in here. Yeah. So this is module 10. And if you see, this is the folder. Yeah. And here it is get user. These are, and this one is alt auto. It just start like this. When you open the file, this schedule setup is called, this is a procedure which sets 45 seconds of every spanning. Means say after every 45 seconds, the system will look into the output in the Outlook and income inbox in which the incoming emails are coming. As soon as it sees that the email has come, then it will determine what to do with that. If the subject is the create user, then it will create the user and so auto add user. This is the same procedure which we used in our this form. Yeah? You can see it here in this form also. Yeah. So the same procedure is being used here. So we have utilized it. Now we won't be using this button to create the user. The users will be created through the Outlook. You will have to send an email to our Outlook box, and then that would create a user, right? That would create a user, and then the next stage is that you can also uh, send the emails for performing the transactions, like this transactions in which we have this one that always clears the backlog. So first of all, the account will be created. That has been created, and the next job is to clear the backlog. The overdues will be cleared. From which date will be that is mentioned. In every email, we are saying that backlog clearing start date will be from 15th of July, 15th of July, because until then, means this is the starting date stamp, which will be stamped. Otherwise, the backlog unperformed range is 31st of January 2021 until 31st of December 2024, right? The next email which will be sent by Mike Jackson to specify that would be that how much has he cleared the backlog only, right? So in response of that, it is going to update the database and create the report and inform the user that this is your status. So for today's session was only limited to that point, that the users are created and through the email without any human intervention, right? Automatically created just on the receipt of the email. System automatically picks this text from the incoming email, takes the action, and then move it to the user created. Once the users are created, so this will be blank. Yeah, this folder, which is a watch folder, the system will always be watching that is there any new email. If there is any new email, it will start performing this. So we have covered the user creation. The next we will do the transactions of clearing of the backlog, inshallah. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.